Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to reset settings to defaults on Microsoft Edge browser on Windows 11 or 10 PCs. For this, first open your Edge browser on your Windows PC and then click on this one settings and more icon. Then select here settings in the drop down menu, this one settings. After that, on the left side, click on reset settings option, this one reset settings. Then on the right you will find reset settings, and under that restore settings to their default values. Click on this one option, then click on this one reset option. This will reset Edge browser settings to defaults on your Windows PC. Thanks for watching this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it. And if you love this video and you have already subscribed to this channel, press thumbs up. Bye bye.